Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. Today in this video we are going to understand section formula and how to derive this formula and how to solve questions on the basis of this formula. So what is section formula and how we have to solve the questions based on this formula. So suppose a telephone company wants to position a relay tower at point P here. You can see this point at point P. This company wants to position a tower at this point between A and B, between this point A and between this point B. The distance of the tower from B is twice its distance from A. If P lies on AB, it will divide AB in the ratio of 1:2. Okay. If we take A as the origin O and 1 kilometer as 1 unit on both the axes, the coordinates of B will be 36, 15. The coordinates of B are given. So how do we find these coordinates? We have to find the coordinate of the tower of this P point. So how do we find the coordinates of this point? We have to use the section formula in order to find the coordinates, as we have been given the section ratio in which this point P is dividing the line segment AB in two halves. So as we have been given the ratio in which this line is getting divided, we can use the formula, that is the section formula, in order to find the coordinates of the point P that is dividing this line into two halves. So what is that section formula? We have to only understand the section formula, and there is no need to understand the derivation of the section formula. So we have to just remember the section formula, that what is the section formula. So section formula is m1 x2, that is the coordinate, plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. What is m1 and m2 here? m1 and m2 are the ratio in which the line segment is getting divided. This is the formula for coordinate x. But what will be the formula for coordinate y? The formula for coordinate y will be similar to x, m1 y2 plus m2 y1, and everything is getting divided by m1 plus m2. As you can see, the similarity between these two formulas is that in x coordinate formula we can see that m is getting multiplied with only x, and in y coordinate formula m is getting multiplied by y coordinates. So this is the similarity between these two formulas. You can remember this formula to solve the questions, because as we can see different types of questions based on this formula. So let's understand this concept with the help of a simple question first. So the question is saying that find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. We have to find the coordinates of the point which divides this line segment joining these two points. So what will be the coordinates? We have to use section formula here in order to find these two coordinates. We have to find x coordinate now. So the formula for to find the x coordinate is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 and divided by m1 plus m2. So we have to just put the values. m1 is 3, m2 is 1, as the ratio is given as 3:1, and x2, as you can see that these two are the coordinates. So x1 y1 will be our first coordinate and x2 y2 will be our second coordinate. So x will be equal to 3 into 8 plus 1 into 4 divided by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 will be our answer. Now to find the y coordinate, the formula will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2, and our answer will be 3 into 5 plus 1 into minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1, and our answer will be 3. So our coordinates will be 7, 3. 7, 3 is our required coordinates, that is dividing the line segment joining the coordinate 4, minus 3 and 8, 5. So this is the section formula in order to find the required coordinates, and you can see the similarity between these two formulas by just looking at it. To find the x coordinate, you have to multiply the ratio with x coordinates, and to find the y coordinate, you have to multiply the ratio with the y coordinates. Okay, so this is our section formula, and section formula ends here, and you have to practice the questions based on this formula, as you can see the questions based on this formula in your exams.